Look at my last video. I did this Kmap with 3 input, and we had the Kmap like this. We derived this expression by doing this, but here I noticed one thing. The reason I have it like this is because I made a mistake and I did it again. I didn't erase it and I did it with the same thing I had. But here I noticed one thing, that you don't actually need 3 expressions for this. This is some extra. I can literally remove this. And that's gonna work out very well, right? Because we had to just group them as 2, and when we have grouped them, we cannot do that again. So let's rewrite the expression for it. So here we have to look at what's changing and what's not changing. So for the first one, you look at A and B, both of them are not changing. So this is going to be A and B. Since B is 0, we're going to have a not right here. And then C. Okay, so A and B are, but C is changing because C is 1 and C 0 and 1. So C is changing, so it's going to be eliminated. Now let's look at this one. Here we have A is changing. A is 0 and 1 right here, so it's going to be eliminated. B is not changing, so it's going to be there. And C is not changing and C is 0, so we had to complement. And that is a simpler expression for sum of product. Right, this is way simpler. And you can actually plug some value and verify this is right. To do that, let's look at this one. Let's look at this one. When A is 1 and B is 1 and C is 0, we have to get the output of 1. So A is 1 and B is 1. That is this location. Okay, we don't have to even worry about the location. We just plug it right here. Okay, A is 1. We only have one A, so 1 right here. And then B is 1. 1 complement, that's going to be 0. This is 1 right here. And then C is what? C is 0. So C complement is going to be 1. And this is 0 because 1 and 0 is 0. And then 1 and 1 is 1. And when you have an OR gate with 1, the final answer is going to be 1. So we are getting the right output. We are getting a 1 as output. That's what we wanted. So we can verify this is right. And that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next video.